Hello everyone, this is physiotherapist Bhakti Rajput from Telephysio. Welcome to yet another part of Sedentary Lifestyle series. Today let us discuss the facts and myths which revolve around a sedentary lifestyle. For example, long bed rest helps ease back pain. No. 2 to 3 days is enough to ease the pain and relax the muscles. Overresting usually leads to weakening of the muscle. Spine gets injured easily. Spine is incredibly strong and it is well protected by its surrounding structures. Slouching makes you look bad, like the texting posture in which your chin is pushed forward, your shoulders are slumped. Okay? When people slouch, their heads come forward. Slouching also forces the shoulders to come forward. This leads to jaw pains, headaches, shoulder and back pains. Additionally, if the mechanics of your spine are not aligning properly, it can affect your rib cage, your ribs. There will be a lot of pressure on your lungs and your heart, which may also lead to gastrointestinal issues. There is nothing you can do to mitigate the effects of bad posture. That means once you get a bad posture, nothing can be done. No, you can definitely correct them. The counter effects of slouching and ergonomically correcting your workspace. These help in rectifying a bad posture. Stretching and strength training helps in countermeasures. Bad posture is genetic. To some extent, yes, it may be true, but it is not completely out of your hands. Tightening and strengthening your core, that is the center of your body, including deep abdominal muscles and the muscles closest to your spine, can help improve your posture, making it easier for you to sit and stand up straight. Bad posture leads to scoliosis. False. According to Arendt, who is a Californian based chiropractor, most cases of scoliosis are idiopathic. That means they stem from an unknown cause. But there is no real link between posture and scoliosis. However, scoliosis includes side to side curves. Now there are other curves also, front to back plane of the spine. These can be increased or decreased as a result of hunching or slumping. So sit up straight. Now coming to the statistics. An average person spends around 13 hours sitting. If you spend 1 hour for physical workout, that involves maybe walking, aerobic workouts, swimming or any other form of exercises, and 6 to 8 hours is for sleeping, then it leaves only 1 to 3 hours of time which is spent in a different position. So ask yourself, are you sitting for more than 8 hours a day? Ask, how is your posture throughout the day? Make sure your neck, shoulders and hip are in alignment even while sitting on a chair or while standing and working. Sit up tall. Opt for regular routine. The way you are moving out of your house, try to have a routine within the house itself. Being confined does not give you liberty to live haphazardly. Have a routine so that you can lead a better quality of life. Get ready as if you were going to your workplace. Get up every 30 to 45 minutes for a break of 5 minutes and have a sip of water. Change your posture every hour. Suppose you are sitting for an hour, make sure you get up after an hour and try to work for an hour in a standing posture. Upgrade your workplace. This is where ergonomic plays a very crucial role, and we shall come to this later. Now, there are a few tips that can be added to your routine and which will help you lead a pain-free life. For instance, the temptation to hold the phone between your ear and shoulder. Yes, this is absolutely common. Most of us do this, and most of us also get complaints of neck pain and shoulder pain after this. So, holding a phone between your neck and shoulder. This needs sideward bending of your neck and lifting up of your shoulder girdle. Okay, so holding this posture will require some constant contraction of all the muscles of your neck and upper shoulder. This may also lead to impinging nerves, that is compression of your nerves at some level, sometimes even headaches, neck and shoulder tightness. Now along with this, there will also be tightness of the other group of muscles like your pectorals. Alright, so if you are often on the phone, consider using the phone by the opposite hand and keep one hand free for writing or typing. Or else the best thing would be to use a Bluetooth headset or normal headphones for this purpose. फ्रेंड्स, वी आर गोइंग टू सी सम फ्यू सिंपल स्ट्रेचेस जो आप वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर रहे हो रूटीन, उसमें ये इंक्लूड कर सकते हो. फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज, जस्ट टेक योर हैंड्स ऑन द साइड. एक हाथ को नीचे की तरफ आपको रखना है, उंगलियों को स्प्रेड करके. दूसरे हाथ को ऊपर की तरफ रखना है और साइड टू साइड टर्न करना है. उसके साथ हाथ के रोटेशंस करनी है. Do this for at least 10 times. Take a pause, relax your shoulders, and again go for these repetitions. The most important thing is avoid being in the same position for more than 45 minutes. So after every 30 to 45 minutes, move about in your house, take small sips of water, take a break of 5 minutes preferably after every hour. Do some mild neck and shoulder stretches which are shown at the end of this. If possible, opt for another position for work, like in standing. Make use of your kitchen platforms or high window sills to place your laptop to work. When you are hunching over your desk all day, the postural muscles go for tightness and become weak, and they lose the ability to provide necessary support. So once one group of muscle goes for tightness, they become weak, and the opposite group of muscles start going for weakness also. Okay, so you are overcompensating one group of muscles. So there is an imbalance. This will reduce the ability to provide proper necessary support to maintain an upright posture. Make sure to strengthen your core muscles and your back to maintain an upright posture. Strengthening, stretching are equally important to be added in your day-to-day routine. Have a regular routine of workouts where your muscles can retain their length, their tone and their strength. So the key is to be conscious of your posture at all times. जो exercise है, that is to stretch your upper region, okay, shoulder stretch और upper neck को stretch करने के लिए है. दोनों हाथों को ऊपर लेना है आपको और एक साइड से शोल्डर को ड्रॉप करना है ऐसे. सिमिलरली ऑन द अदर साइड. एट ए टाइम आप 15 से 20 रेपिटेशंस कर सकते हो. इससे ना केवल आपकी अपर बैक स्ट्रेच होगी, बट आपकी एल्बो की मूवमेंट भी स्मूथ हो जाएगी, फिंगर्स में भी स्ट्रेच फील होगा और अपर स्पाइन भी रिलैक्स हो जाएगी. It will give a good stretch to all your neck muscles that start right away from your collarbone and go up till your upper back. Now, in order to be pain-free, it is important to be very active. It's important to maintain your mobility. Keep your hips mobile, because when you sit for long hours, you are overstraining them. You're putting a lot of load on your glutes and your hip muscles. 1 to 2 minutes of hip mobility for each hour of sitting spent can be converted into strengthening or converted into stretching. Like you can do a stretch for a minute with few repetitions and then get back to your work. Hip mobility and hip stretching exercises could be like glutes, bridging, etc. Prevent lower back pain by proper positioning. You can use cushions or towel rolls or even foam rollers if you have them at home to position them behind your lower back. We shall discuss this in detail the next time. Now, keeping the neck and shoulders relaxed, avoid strain by opting intermittent stretches. Go for 3 to 5 reps every hour with a hold of 10 seconds. Learn the correct way of maintaining sitting posture on the chair. And yes, you can modify wherever it is necessary. Now, when you sit for a long duration on your desk, on computers, laptops, or even on your smartphones, your hip muscles and your lower back muscles go for tightness. So this particular stretch is to open up your core. Okay? ये स्ट्रेच जब आप करोगे, इससे आपके हिप के मसल्स रिलैक्स होंगे, आपको स्ट्रेच फील होगा एंड इट विल ऑल्सो रिड्यूस योर बैक पेन. इसे करने के लिए पैर को क्रॉस में रखना है, बैक स्ट्रेट रखना है, ओके। हिप्स को लिफ्ट नहीं करना है स्ट्रेच करते वक्त। एंकल को पैर के बाहर लेना है, यू डोंट हैव टू सपोर्ट योर एंकल, ठीक है। दूसरे पैर को यानी कि लेफ्ट पैर को आपको मूव नहीं करना है, सिर्फ राइट पैर के नी को जितना हो सके उतना ड्रॉप होने देना है टुवर्ड्स द फ्लोर। दिस विल गिव यू अ गुड स्ट्रेच इनर थाइज पे, ओके। और आपके पायरिफॉर्मिस मसल्स और हिप मसल्स में भी आपको स्ट्रेच फील होना चाहिए। अगर आपको स्ट्रेच कम फील हो रहा है तो डिफिकल्टी बढ़ाने के लिए, इसका लेवल और टफ करने के लिए आप आगे की तरफ झुको और सिर को दूसरे घुटने तक लेके जाना है, लाइक दिस। ट्राई बेंडिंग लाइक दिस, होल्ड इट फॉर 10 काउंट्स। 10 तक आपको होल्ड करना है ये पोजीशन को। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and then relax. The same way you can do for the other side. Drop the knee. अगर आपको स्ट्रेच फील नहीं हो रहा है वैसे ही आपको दूसरी तरफ बेंड करना है। You will get a stretch right from here till here. आपके ग्लूट्स में और इनर थाइज पे आपको स्ट्रेच फील होगा। Hold it for 10 counts and then come up. Now for this exercise, दोनों हाथों को ज्वाइन करके हेड के पीछे रखना है, चिन को चेस्ट तक लेके जाना है और नेक को बेंड करना है। Hold this position for at least 5 counts, 1 2 3 4 5 and straight. It gives a good stretch right from your head till your mid back. Let's do it again. Keep your hand behind your head. चिन को चेस्ट तक लेके जाना है। Bend your neck. Hold for 5 counts. 1 2 3 4 5. Relax. पूरे दिन में आप 5 से 6 बार ये एक्सरसाइज कर सकते हो। In between your work also you can do this stretch. Now for the next exercise you can take support of a sofa or you can do it on the chair also. This is mainly आपके हिप के मसल्स, नी के मसल्स जो स्टिफ हो जाते हैं, क्रैम्प्स आने लगते हैं, उन सबको ये कम करेगा। प्लस इट विल कीप यू लिटिल मोर एक्टिव इन बिटवीन योर रूटीन्स। आप इतने घंटों तक जब लैपटॉप्स पे, कंप्यूटर्स पे काम करते हो, वर्क फ्रॉम होम के रूटीन में आप ये एक्सरसाइजेस ऐड कर सकते हो। फॉर दिस एक्सरसाइज कीप एटलीस्ट 1 foot डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सोफा। लेफ्ट पैर को पीछे लेना है, एंकल को अच्छे से सपोर्ट रखना है, राइट पैर पे पूरा वजन देना है, दोनों हाथों को कमर के पीछे रख के नी को बेंड करना है जितना आप नीचे तक लेके जा सकते हो। डू एटलीस्ट 10 repetitions. Now switch over. एटलीस्ट 10 repetitions दोनों साइड आप कर सकते हो। So friends, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy and lead a pain-free life. Thank you.